Now I request Comrade Uday Kumar, OGS, to deliberate his speech.
President of today's meeting, Comrade Sheikh Ghosh, Chief Guest of today's function, Shri Maqsood Ali ji, our beloved General Secretary, Comrade Dilip Saha ji, our DGS of AIPNBI, Comrade Ravichandran ji, your Circle Head of Vijayawada Circle, Shri Krishnamurthy ji, our All India Treasurer, Sri Kumar ji, General Secretary from IBOX State Unit, Satyanarayana ji, and our dynamic leader of this circle, Vijayawada Circle Secretary, Comrade P. Naraya ji, and all the leaders who are there of the dais from different circles, and all my dear comrades. Very good afternoon to all. Well, first of all, to begin with, I would like to congratulate all of you, and I would like to wish you for this today's World Food Day. Today is being called as a World Food Day, and if you remember, the public sector banks, the PSBs, revolutionary lending in terms of bringing green revolution, blue revolution, white revolution. For all these revolutions, all the public sector banks then had a vision and have lent to the poor and needy farmers to make sure that this India or the country, our country becomes food security country, and then we today enjoy, and even in this difficult situation also, we supply almost more than 50-60 countries wheat, rice, all the food grains. We have been treated as a food deficient country at that point of time. It's only because of the public sector banks today we claim that we are all self-sufficient country. So because of all of your support, because of all the support given by the public sector banks, that made our country to become, or that made our country to stand today where it is. So congratulations to all of us, including me, for this World Food Day, as our GS he is going to give, and you are all waiting for his speech. It's very limited time for me also to address anything, but just for 2 minutes I would like to tell about our zone. As far as our zone is concerned, AIPNBOA flag is always high in this particular Hyderabad zone, and all over the country in AIPNBOA we have the maximum percentage of membership which we carry in our Hyderabad zone, and we are all proud members and proud workers of AIPNBOA in this particular zone, and we claim with proud and honor. So for that, to make that happen, all of your support and wishes were already there. And I also like to request you once again that no matter whatever happens, no matter whatever problems comes in, it is only the association which always treats all the members like a mother. No matter whatever problems comes in. As an authority, I always tell my circle head or an authority that as a circle head, you can claim that he is a bad manager, he is a good manager. But as a secretary of an officer association, I cannot differentiate. I cannot say that he is a good member, he is a bad member. All the members are equal for us, and we have to take everyone together. So likewise, I request everyone also here who are there present here with a large gathering that please support whatever calls given by the association, so that we can collectively make sure that our rights are secured. Today the fight is not for getting the comfort. Today the fight is not for getting this much of higher percentage or that much of higher percentage in our salary or the allowances. Today the fight is to secure the rights, to secure the work-life balance of all the officers who are shedding their sweat, who are really struggling in the field to make sure that our bank remains number one. So that itself is a very means a long journey, and we all have to support the association in all the calls given by the association. And at the same time, I would also like to reiterate our zonal manager sir that in our zone, Hyderabad zone, all the circle leaders, they are not only good leaders, they are also very good performers. And we have shown in our performance also, all the leaders, all the circle secretaries, they are very good leaders, but often in the meetings or in the video conferences, circle head did accuse the leaders. They say that why performance is not happening, why growth is not happening. They say the leaders are not allowing us to work. I don't see in any occasion where all of our leaders who are there in this particular zone have given any kind of such kind of a call where they said you don't work for the bank. We ourselves, we achieve all our targets and we show, we demonstrate, we tell the members that we are here to work for the organization and we expect same result from all our officers also. So sir, we at any point of time will never give any kind of a negative message against the organization. We always tell our members that we should definitely work for the growth of this bank, and that too a real growth of this bank. Because even if you say that one quarter we avoided a third position, but next quarter again that threat is there, again that threat will come again in subsequent quarters. But we have to work for a real growth, and that real growth will only come by the comfort which we give it to the field. So I request, being a zonal manager of our zone, please support the field, please address their concerns, please take all the issues which are being faced by the field positively, and the initiatives which you are undertaking. I think recently you asked for suggestion from the field through Google form. Yes, definitely it was a good decision, sir. And also the visibility which you are creating through the visits to the trains which you have created. Yes, definitely we may not get a result immediately overnight. It is helping us to create a visibility in this particular zone, Hyderabad zone. Though means Punjab National Bank, our presence is very limited in this particular south of India, especially in our zone as well as in Chennai zone. So we collectively make sure that our flag is high in our zone, and we definitely endure to become number one zone in this country, and we will definitely stand with you, sir, provided you also from your side should see the practical things and also support and give all the comfort to our officers. And at this occasion there are so many things which I would like to tell, but then due to paucity of the time, we are all are eager to listen to our General Secretary, and he is also he also update you about the policies and the guidelines. So I thank and I also congratulate our Vijayawada team led by Comrade Sheikh Gauss and Comrade P. Naraya for such a wonderful event today, and wish you all the best, comrades. Struggle is not going to end soon. We all have to struggle till we are going to be retiring in this particular organization, and we have to fight. So nothing comes free. We have to fight, we have to ask, we have to demand. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your thought-provoking speech.